How to correct a 1094C non-authoritative transmittal to an authoritative transmittal. In this video, we will show you how to correct a 1094C non-authoritative transmittal after you have placed an order. First, click Order History. Next, click the order number that contains the filer with the non-authoritative 1094C that you would like to correct. The link in the Transmittal Status column will be shown as either Transmittal Accepted by the IRS, Transmittal Accepted with Errors by the IRS, or Transmittal Rejected by the IRS. Review and resave. Click the Transmittal Status link. This will bring you to a copy of the 1094C that you previously filed. To select the 1094C as a 1094C authoritative transmittal, select the Line 19 checkbox. Marking this checkbox will replace the Save button with the Next Step button. Click Next Step. An information box will appear. Click OK to continue. Fill in Part 2 of the form with your information. Then click Next Step. On Part 3 of the form, fill in the appropriate fields. When you are finished, select Complete Transmittal. This will send your corrected 1094C authoritative transmittal to the IRS. eFileMyForms doesn't charge an additional fee for this service. Be sure to confirm that your 1094C authoritative transmittal was accepted by the IRS. This usually happens within 7 days of filing. You can check the status of your transmittal on the Order History page. Please note that you only need to file one 1094 authoritative transmittal per filer for each tax year. Thank you for watching.